Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the Daily Rant, a new feature on the channel where every day I'll have to rant about something. And today I'm ranting about the disconnect of Microsoft with the users when there's issues in Windows. Now, we all know that 24H2 has been kind of a problematic update for a lot of people. Not everyone. And I know that a lot of people are okay with it. But those that were plagued with the problems, well, there's a lot of them. And some of you, unlucky, were plagued with multiple problems with it. And here's the problem. There's issues that people complain about. And it's interesting because it seems Microsoft, when we go to the known issues page, only chooses specific things. It's as if Microsoft decides which of the problems it will actually address and put up on its known issue page and which they will ignore. Or sometimes they'll not put up a problem, but we'll fix it 3 months later, meaning, well, there was a problem. It's almost as if Microsoft's saying, oh, well, that known issue page is going to be way too long if we put everything. Yeah, I get it. You focus on what are the most important. Okay, get it. I get it. There's I got no problem with that. But still, when we talk about known issues, the list of what's known versus going to the feedback hub and starting to see what everybody's complaining about and going about is, a terrible way of addressing issues. And it makes me think that Microsoft has just a hell of a hard time even understanding, what are the issues, and I don't know, do they see it or don't see it? Definitely Microsoft has a big problem in that disconnect. Really looking at feedback hub stuff, and for example, a quick example here is the .NET framework that failed to install. I've seen it enough in some of the blog posts that it would seem that there's quite a lot of people that have that issue, stuff like that. So, and of course, not talking about what is not necessarily an error or a problem that plagues Windows that's supposed to be here, but, Microsoft should take the time to look at comments in here. Things like, there's too many ads in Windows. There shouldn't be. And one of them also is, the freaking CoPilot icon in Office. Here, one of the suggestions here. I do not like CoPilot icon showing up every time in Excel. You know what? CoPilot is driving me wild in Office. And I'm like, God, what, really, do we need that? And do I need to have this showing up here? Saying select icon, press Alt plus I to draw draft with CoPilot is like, I don't want it here. Tell me it's available, and if I want it, this is how I should get it. But don't, shove it in my face. So there's so much of that going on that definitely Microsoft is making a lot of people annoyed at everything. So, and like I said, the missing issues, there are some stuff happening that never show up. When you get a problem, how long does it take for Microsoft to acknowledge? It takes weeks. It has to be a major issue that, is like plaguing almost everyone for something to be a quickie. It's like, yeah, okay, 1 day later, 2 days later, yeah, we know there's an issue. Yeah, but apart from that, most of the time, the issues are, take and forever to be acknowledged. So I think Microsoft needs to sit down and say, you know what? We need to look at our feedback and at our, what the problems people are complaining about, see the importance, and maybe, instead of going and doing little things like removing pages for Edge uninstall because it's kind of not true and so on, why don't you put these people into, fixing things, looking at what people are ranting about, and doing things people want rather than doing things Microsoft wants. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.